Come on, Ellie, get all that snow. Wow, you're doing such an awesome job. Okay, let's walk in the front. Do the front. Pick up the broom. You gonna do the table? Okay. Okay. You done?
Yeah.
You want to do any more?
No.
Okay. That's the extent of it, huh? Okay, you want to go in the front? Or you want to go in the house?
No.
Are you cold?
No.
Okay, well let's go. Well, you don't have to if you don't want to. Okay, let's get down. Need my help? Where are we going? Turn around, look at the camera. Say hi. Wish you were here. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Down the hill.
Down the hill. Don't fall. Ooh, up the hill now. We got to shovel the snow pretty soon. Your car? Oh, and you can't raise your car in this weather. Okay, Grandma's going to turn this off.